What's going on today, everyone? Well, today we're out here on the water after the blizzard, and we're gonna be trying to do some fishing today. Hopefully we could catch something. Usually right after the storms I don't usually do too good, but we're after anything that wants to bite. Doesn't matter what size it is, but yeah, hopefully I can find something for you guys, and stay tuned. For some of the baits we're using today, itty bitties, and with a 1/48 ounce head on a bobber. Fish on. Fish on. First fish of the day. Small little black crappie. Oh. Tiny little guy. It was fun. Thanks for the fight. Let's let him go. Rolling. I just caught another one, but let's see if I could get another one for you guys. I think I threw it out a little bit too far out this time. Oh, never mind. They're out there too. They're everywhere. These guys are the smallest crappie in the world, but so much fun to catch. Especially when you've been stuck inside for a couple of days. Tiny little guy. Let's let him go. When the weather is cold like this, oh, there was one. When the weather is cold like this, you kind of want to work your bait as slow as you can. Oh, it came back for it. Oh, I missed it again. Okay, now let's see if I can talk to you guys. When the weather is cold like this, you want to move your bait as slow as possible, and it's nipping at it again. There it is. This fish didn't want me to explain anything to you guys. It's another little small guy. Yeah, you just want to move it as slow as you can, so the bobber helps out a lot. Let's let him go. All right, let me take a moment to talk to you guys. Around this time of the year, same old, same old. It's cold, water's still cold, so one of the key facts is that I'm using a bobber and I'm working it really slow. Those are really key elements during this time of the year. I've always done better with smaller baits when the water's still cold, but it doesn't mean that they won't hit a bigger one. But yeah, I guess we just get back to it and stay tuned. I left my bobber sitting out there while I was talking to you guys, and something was nipping at it. See if it wants to play. There he goes. Oh, it came off. It came off. There it is. Came right back for it. Another crappie. This one's the same size. It looked a little bit bigger out there. But yeah. Oh, let's let him go. It'd be funny if I caught one of these small guys and a big old bass just comes and smashes it. Oh, there's one. There it is. Another little tiny crappie. Wonder if I tied two of them on, if I could catch two. This guy's very tiny. Look at that. Let's let him go. Oh, there he goes. Come on. There it is. All right. Let me show you guys something about these crappies. See, this guy has it. Yep. If you notice, the crappies from the smaller lakes, they're not as white as the other crappies from the reservoirs. I'm guessing it's because it's the water clarity or the water like condition. Like from these smaller ponds, I noticed that they're a lot more yellowish color. But yeah, I guess that's just something that I see. But you could compare it for yourself when the season comes. But yeah, if you notice, there's still a lot of black spots on these guys too. So like some kind of parasite, I guess. But let's let them go. There he goes. Okay, we are taking off the bobber. Give it a few casts and see what happens. Hopefully I don't get it stuck. Oh, I can't throw it. Look at how small these things are. Ooh, that one hit it. I felt that one. Fish on. You don't need a bobber. Seems like they're more active. You just let it sink. Oh, he wanted that. Look at that. He wanted that. Come on. Okay. Got it out with the freaking other. Get out of here. Oh, I have a fish on. I hit it on the way down. I didn't even feel it. Whoa. Oh, come on. Oh, hook. There it goes. Let's let him go. Other way. There we go. Alright, real talk. This kind of fishing is kind of repetitive because once you find a certain technique that they want it, you got to stick with it. Because if you stick with it, you will get the most consistent bites that you're looking for, you know, like that's how you get your limits and whatnot, is like finding a certain technique that works and then you stick with it. But yeah, besides that, next time when I am doing this kind of fishing, like micro fishing or whatnot, like I just wanted to ask you guys if you guys wanted to see some kind of a live feed from or like a YouTube live or something like that. If you guys do, let me know in the comments. If not, then I won't do anything like that. But yep, I guess we just get back to it. Stay tuned. Oh. It's a struggle to get the bait out there. Let it sink. Let it sink down kind of low. They seem to be a little bit lower than how I had the bobber. Yep, there it is. Letting it sink. Little fatty, look at him. Boom. Let him go. Alrighty, let's move around the lake. Do a few casts this way. Let's see if we find any on this side. Fish on. Are you serious? Like instantly. Jet ski him. Let's let him go. Let's give it another shot. Fish on. Yep. They look so big underwater, but when you pull them up, it's like they lose 2 inches from each side. Let's let them go. All right, let's do a 5-minute challenge. I'm gonna start the timer at 5 minutes and we're gonna see how much fish I could catch. Ready? 5-minute timer. First fish. Let him go. Fish on. Second fish. Come on. Let him go. Oh no, we got line tangles. Leg. Miss. Fish on. Number 3, and I caught a stick. Fish on. Four. Fish on. Oh, come on. Come on. There it goes. 5. Oh, it came off. Got another one. 6. Fish on. 7. Oh, come on. Oh. There it goes. Caught 7 fish, 5 minutes. There's one on my bobber. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today. I'll see you guys next time. And good luck out there.